is why choose Advanced Innovation Group for Six Sigma Black Belt certification training. In the fast-paced world of business, where every decision counts, why settle for anything less than excellence? Introducing the Six Sigma Black Belt certification training at AIG, where excellence is not just a goal, but a way of life. At AIG, we believe in the power of practical learning. That's why our program goes beyond theory, providing you with extensive hands-on practice in data analysis and the usage of essential tools. Unlike any other program in the industry, Six Sigma projects are an integral part of your learning journey at AIG. Our certification process ensures that you not only understand the concepts, but also apply them in real-world scenarios. During your training, you'll have access to real industry data, allowing you to simulate projects and gain valuable insights into your sector. But we don't stop there. Our certification is earned, not given. You'll need to successfully complete 2 Lean Six Sigma Black Belt projects, demonstrating your mastery of the methodology. Because in today's dynamic environment, change leadership is key. Our program equips you with the skills needed to drive improvement initiatives and make a real impact in your organization. Join the ranks of over 5,000 Black Belt and 15,000 Green Belt experts who have transformed their careers with AIG. Experience the difference of our knowledge-driven approach. Contact us today. Choose excellence. Choose AIG for your Six Sigma Black Belt certification training. Elevate your skills, empower your career,